Hello, good morning children. How are you? We have completed 2 chapter. Clear? The first chapter is crop production management. आप लोगों का टेस्ट भी हो गया. Then material, metal and non-metal. In that I have taken 2 tests. All are performing very well, but still 2-3 children are not attending properly. बच्चों अच्छे से पढ़ना, ठीक है? So now we will start our third chapter. The name of the third chapter according to syllabus. In your book it is second chapter, but syllabus it is given in third position. So I have already given the syllabus in our WhatsApp group. So see, microorganism, friend and foe. Microorganism. Now you will understand the meaning microorganism. What is microorganism? The word micro means very, very small. Is not it? An organism means living thing. Micro, those organisms which are very, very small and the living thing, they are known as microorganisms. Very small. How can you say that they are microorganisms? Because by our naked eye, we cannot able to see them. Only with the help of microscope, high power microscope, we can able to see this organism. That's why these organisms are known as microorganisms. Clear? Now the next topic is friend and foe. Friend and foe. What does it mean? Friend means dost. Those microorganisms which are our friend, they are known as microorganisms. They are our friendly microorganisms. Is not it? Those who are our friend. And foe means दुश्मन. Those organisms which does some harm to our body, हमारे खाने को खराब कर रहा है, it causes some diseases. These microorganisms are our foe. I hope clear the meaning of the chapter. Microorganism, friend and foe. What do you mean by microorganism? Micro means very, very small. An organism means living thing. Those organisms which are very, very small and we can't able to see with our naked eye, these organisms are known as microorganisms. Next word is friend. Means those microorganisms which are helpful, which does some useful thing for us, they are our friend. हम किसे दोस्त बनाएंगे? उसे ना जो हमारा हेल्प करता है. And next word is foe. And those microorganisms which are not performing any good thing for us, they are our enemies. उसे कहते हैं foe. हमारे कुछ भी नुकसान कर रहा है जिसे हम लोग कहेंगे foe. Is it clear? Microorganism, friends and foe. Clear? So next we will go to our next topic, that is microorganism, microbes. Microorganism, microbes. Clear? The microorganisms are known as also microbes. The microorganisms are very small organisms which can't be seen with unaided eye. Unaided eye means without many specs or anything, we can't able to see them. They are so small that with our eyes we cannot able to see them. They can be seen only with a magnifying glass or microscope. So with the magnifying glass which have the high range of what you say, उनकी रेंज काफ़ी ज़्यादा होती है. With that help we can see the microorganism. So they are known as, another name of microorganism, microbes, which we can't able to see our naked eye. For them we need some high power microscope. Microorganism may be unicellular and multicellular. Understand these two words. Uni means one. With the help of one cell they perform all the function. Clear? Unicellular means one celled organism. Those microorganisms which are having one cell. With the help of one cell they perform all the functions. They are known as unicellular. And multicellular means many. Multicellular means many. Those organisms which are many in number, in their body cells are many, and our body is multicellular because we are performing various types of work na. So in our body there are various types of cell. With that cell we are performing various types of activities. So we are multicellular organism. Yeah, microorganism may be unicellular or multicellular. See, I have given some pictures also. ये सारे पिक्चर्स से देखो कितने वेरी टाइनी माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म व्हिच वी कांट एबल टू सी. ये सब हाई पावर माइक्रोस्कोप से लिया हुआ फोटो है. माइक्रोस्कोप में एग्जिस्ट अलोन और इन कॉलोनी. इफ एनी माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म इज अलोन, सपोज ये अकेला है तो अकेला भी हो सकता है. सो नाउ दे आर लिविंग इन कॉलोनीज, उसे कहेंगे कॉलोनी. Microorganism can exist alone or in colonies. In your book, page number 18, few microorganisms are there. Calamidomonas, Spirogyra, Amoeba, Paramecium. देखो कुछ कुछ microorganism single है, तो उसे कहेंगे alone. Those who are existing alone, they are also microorganism. And those who are ऊपर वाले फोटो में देखो बैक्टीरिया in figure 2.1 जो तुम्हारे बुक में है, page number 18, in that few microorganisms are living in colonies. So first we came to know that microorganisms are very very small, which we can't able to see with our naked eye. For them we need compound microscope or high power microscope. With that microscope only we can able to see them. Clear na? Next is microorganism may be unicellular or multicellular. Uni means one. With the help of one cell they perform all the function, and multi means many. With the help of many cells they perform many various types of activities. Another topic is microorganism may be alone. I said in your book page number 18 few microorganisms are there which are existing alone, and some of the microorganisms are existing in colonies. Means सब एक साथ रहते हैं. Microorganisms are found in all kind of environment like ice cold climate, hot spring, desert, marshy land. ये every types of environment they are living, they are founding. मैंने in hot climate also, cold climate also, marshy land also, hot spring also, in everywhere you can find microorganisms. They are also found inside the body of other organisms. Body of another organism. They live there, they eat there, they means they are found everywhere. They are found everywhere. Suppose a dead body, if you see a dead body lying on the road in dog, cat, after a few days you are not finding the smell. So who is helping to decompose? These microorganisms only. Sometimes our food gets spoiled. Who are spoiling the food? These microorganisms only. So these microorganisms found everywhere. Although they are very very small, but they are found everywhere in every climate. But sometimes they become very active, sometimes they become inactive. It depends on the function, but they are found. They are found in every environment like ice cold, hot, deserts. Clear? So these are the three few things I discussed today. One is what is the meaning of microorganism. Micro means very small, and organism means living thing. Those organisms which are very very small and which we can't able to see with our naked eye are called microorganism. Next thing I told, microorganism may be unicellular or multicellular. Those microorganisms which are having one cell, and with the help of one cell they perform all the function, they are known as unicellular. And those microorganisms which are having many cells, and with their cells they perform their function, are known as multicellular. Next topic I discussed is some of the microorganisms live alone, whereas some of the microorganisms live in colonies. Clear na? Another topic we discussed, microorganism can found in any environment. Means either it is very hot, cold, marshy, desert, everywhere microorganisms are found. In next topic we will discuss something more. So today you will learn about only two topics I discussed. One is meaning of microorganism, what is unicellular, multicellular, what do you mean by colonies and single, and in what type of environment microorganisms are found. Thank you.